In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unfollow topics. If your feed feels cluttered or you're seeing updates you don't care about, this quick walkthrough will help you fine-tune what shows up so your recommendations feel more relevant and useful. First, look to the very top right corner of your screen for a small downward chevron icon, the little V-shaped arrow. Click that to open a quick menu. This menu is where account and preference controls live, and it's the doorway to the settings you need for cleaning up topics. Next, click Settings. This takes you into the main control center for your account experience. Think of it as the hub where you can adjust what you see, how you're notified, and what the platform learns about your interests. On the left-hand sidebar, find and click Refine Your Recommendations. This section is all about helping the system learn what to show you more of, and what to stop surfacing. It's worth pausing here for a second, because the changes you make in this area directly shape the content that appears across your feed over time. Inside that section, click Interests. This opens a list or grid of topics associated with your activity, things you may have followed or that the system believes you care about. Take a moment to look through the list, noticing which topics still matter to you and which ones no longer do. The layout can vary, but each topic should have a simple control right beneath it. When you're ready to clean something up, click Remove under a topic you no longer want to follow. The moment you do, you're telling the system to stop using that topic to drive recommendations. You may not see a dramatic change instantly, but this step helps nudge your feed in the right direction and reduces noise over time. If you clicked Remove by mistake, don't worry. The Remove button will be replaced with Add, so you can restore that topic with a single click. This quick undo is handy if you're moving fast or just testing how certain topics affect your feed. That's really all there is to it. Click the top right chevron, go to Settings, choose Refine Your Recommendations from the left sidebar, open Interests, and then use Remove under any topics you no longer want to follow. Your changes typically save automatically, and you should notice your feed gradually reflect your updated preferences. Keep refining whenever your interests evolve, and you'll keep your experience focused, relevant, and enjoyable.